Let's consider how we might go about subtracting unlike fractions. Let's suppose we wanted to subtract 11/6 minus 5/4. What would that look like? Well, here we have a number line showing the sixths above and the fourths below. So what does 11/6 look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11/6. What does 5/4 look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/4. Again, how would I go about subtracting my 5/4 from my 11/6? Well, I would copy this line segment going backwards, starting from 11/6. Looks like I'll have to draw a little bit carefully. But it looks like it's somewhere around there, wouldn't you say? So 11/6 minus 5/4. Well, what do I know about it? It looks like it's a bit less than 1. And it looks like it's probably not on a sixth and not on a fourth. So I'm not sure what it is, but I can tell you something that it certainly isn't. 11/6 minus 5/4 is certainly not 6/2. Why not? Well, here we have a number line that shows the halves. This is 6/2. Certainly much, much more than 11/6 minus 5/4. I think maybe we should make a similar move to the one we did with addition, don't you? I think we should bring in a new number line that shows some fractions that have equivalents to both the sixths above and the fourths below. Because now we can draw out our 11/6 minus 5/4 with a little bit more care. Again, here's 11/6 and here's 5/4. And it looks like each fourth is 3 of these little marks. So I can mark out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/4. What's 11/6 minus 5/4? Well, it's going to be this distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these little marks. And what are these? Each unit is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts. So these are twelfths. From the picture we know that 11/6 minus 5/4 is 7/12. How could we find that? Well, what did we do here? We divided up our number line in a way that gave us equivalents to both the sixths and the fourths. Just like for addition, we need a common denominator. Well, the common denominator is sure to be a common multiple of 6 and 4, and I think we prefer the least common multiple. So multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, hope that's enough. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, oh, well there we go, don't we? 12 is the first number to appear on both lists. So we'd like to write our 11/6 as some number of twelfths. What did we have to multiply 6 by? We had to multiply it by 2. And here we see every sixth is divided into 2 equal parts. How many of them do we have? Well, 11 times 2 of them. We have 22 twelfths. All right, what about our 5/4? Well, every fourth was divided into 3 equal parts. So we needed to multiply 4 times 3. That means we'll multiply 5 times 3. 5 fourths is 15 twelfths. And now once again we can just subtract. 22 twelfths minus 15 twelfths. Well, that should be 22 minus 15 twelfths. What's 22 minus 15? Well, 2 minus 5 I can't do, I'll have to borrow. 12 minus 5 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. I get 7 twelfths, just like I saw in my picture. So this actually works. What do we need to do in order to subtract unlike fractions? First, we rewrite our fractions with a common denominator, and then we subtract them as like fractions. And then, if we feel like it, we can simplify the result. So let me give you one of these to try. Subtract 4/3 minus 6/5, and simplify your answer if possible. Pause the video and try this now. Alright, first we're going to need a common multiple of 3 and 5. Maybe you see it, which is fine. Otherwise, let's make a list of multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Hopefully that's enough. And multiples of 5. 5, not it. 10, not it. 15 is the first number to appear on both lists. 15 will be my least common multiple. So I'll write 4/3 as some number of 15ths, and I'll write 6/5 as some number of 15ths. See, what did I need to multiply 3 by? 3 times 5 is 15. I've cut every third into 5 equal parts. So my 4/3, I've cut each of them into 5 equal parts. 4 times 5 is 20. 4/3 is 20 15ths. What did I need to multiply 5 by? 5 times 3 is 15. I cut each fifth into 3 equal parts. So my 6/5, I cut each of them into 3 equal parts. 6 times 3 is 18. So my original subtraction problem, 4/3 minus 6/5, is the same as the subtraction problem, 20 15ths minus 18 15ths. 20 minus 18? 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is 2 15ths. 2 and 15 don't have any factors in common, so I can't simplify this at all.